This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Hey, beautiful, you looking gorgeous today. I saw this at the store for $12.99 and you knew I had to get it. You know, we got the shirt on, it's about to get a little messy in here. I think y'all low-key like watching me struggle to do makeup. I could be wrong. But this is what I picked up. It's the Nightmare Before Christmas makeup with Sally.
It has eyeshadow, cream makeup, lipstick, felt eyeliner, some lashes, some eyelash glue, some decals.
It's got a little bit of everything in it for some $12.99. It's the eyeshadows, the cream makeup, the lipstick, the lashes. Y'all, I never wore lashes before. I'm kind of nervous. These little decal stickers, a sponge, a little applicator. I'm kind of nervous. There ain't no instructions. Where's the instructions? I'm just go off this picture and hope that I do a decent job. I don't know. Actually, I don't know what to do first. Should I do the eyes first or should I do my face first? Oh my gosh. Y'all saying that I'm nervous, it's such an understatement. I'm gonna do the eyes first because I think that makes the most sense. And this is actually eyeliner. I thought this is the glue. It's the eyeliner, duh. Okay, let me look at a picture of little old Sally. I really wish this had some instructions. I really feel like we just upgraded in the wrong way. I'm trying to be the natural hair Sally. I got the red. I thought this might be cute. She just looks like she got the, you know, that thick eyeliner, them lashes. I can't even tell she's like actually wearing eyeshadow. Maybe I'm tripping. Just do it, Erin, just do it. Let me, oh, these are creamy. I did not expect that. I thought it was gonna be a little chalky. Okay, this is how the white looks on my skin. It looks so much better with this ring light. Oh my gosh. This color blue right here next to the white, it looks pretty translucent. I feel like a beauty guru. I'm not. If you're new here, this is not tutorial. Okay. Ooh, this is how the blue looks. It looks very chalky, dusty. It's falling everywhere. You can barely see that black. It's more like a glitter in the pan, but it's supposed to be like a black. And these are how all the colors look. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm just gonna start because I do not have a game plan for this. I'm gonna start off with the white as like my base. I might use this chalky blue as like on my lid. I'm gonna use the black maybe as like a smoky eye, try to smoke it out. Let's just do it. Let's speed through this. This struggle.
Oh my gosh, what is she doing? She has no idea what she's doing. Did she just cover up her eyebrows? I know Sally don't got no eyebrows, but that's not how you do it. She using her fingers. Did she wash her hands first? I hope she washed her hands. Girl, it's not cute. It's not cute. What are you doing? It's not cute. Girl, actually knocking at your door. It's just knocking at the door. Is she really about to put this eyeliner on? This eyeliner that smells like a Sharpie. She really about to put this on her face. Girl, Sally does not have a cat eye. Go take that off.
All right, I tried my best to clean it up. I did put the white cream on my eyebrows to like get rid of some of that blackness. I tried to do the eyeliner straight, this eyeliner pen. I tried to tap in the blue to my lid, but it looks very patchy. But we're just gonna ignore that. I'm gonna do the face makeup while my eyeliner dries because it's actually still wet. So this is how it looks on the sponge. And yeah, I'm gonna speed through this. I refuse to get this in my hair. I look like a clown. Okay, I turned on the brightness so you guys can really see this blue. Let's keep going. How long is it supposed to take my face to dry? It's been 30 minutes. I had to use thick globs or else it'll look patchy like this, so yeah. Anyways, these are the lashes. I've never put on lashes before, but I'm scared. So I guess you just peel it off. Low-key don't want to use a lash glue, so I don't want to wear this for too long. It has like a sticky thing on it. I've seen girls like cut the corners of the lashes before. I don't know. Let's see if I can do this. This goes on like my lash line, right? I've seen people even put lashes like under their lashes. I don't know. I'm scared. That does not look right at all. Oh my gosh. That was not even satisfying to peel off. That kind of hurt it. Let me just skip to the lips. I got this nice red color. Clown alert. I'm gonna put on these decals. I feel like this is what's gonna like give away the look because right now we ain't looking too cute. So she has like one as a smile. I think she has like one over her eye. Okay, let's put one right here. My face is not dry. Okay, it looks kind of cute. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up. Going on the other side. I might put some more right here to get rid of all this blotchiness. Not really sticking because my face is still wet, which sucks. She has it like over her eyes. I'm gonna put it like at the corner right here. This ain't it, chief. And she has one like right on her forehead, kind of. So I'm just gonna put it right there. All right, how do I look? Oh my gosh, my eyes were watering earlier, but now they're fine because this is starting to dry. I do not see myself with a red lip often, so this is a little different, it's a little new. Let's take my hair down. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 do-do-do-do-do. Contrary to popular belief, I tried my best. I tried my best. I'll try to add more blue. It looks splotchy. The stickers keep rising up. They're not really sticking down all the way, but they're trying their hardest. The eyes, we're not even gonna get into the eyes. Okay, I'm not even gonna try with these lashes. For $12, I like this skeleton kit more for $10. That was better, and it had instructions. Did I need instructions? Yes. My makeup skills are trash. But even though my makeup skills are trash, I still believe that these products might be trash. The sponge and the applicator didn't really work, so I ended up using my fingers, and my fingers are a little bit blue. I've washed them a lot. The eyeliner was something different. I never experienced that before. The only thing that I really like are my lips, and that's saying a lot. The makeup itself was actually really creamy, but the application wasn't that great. It looked very patchy and kind of chalky, and because it's so creamy, it took forever to dry. But what do you guys think? Did I do okay? I said A for effort. So we all know who's the real star of the show. This hair. I kind of was thinking that I should have bought the costume at the store, but now I'm happy that I didn't because this was kind of a fail. But I still hope that you really enjoyed this video. If there are any other makeup looks that you want to see me attempt to try, let me know. Isn't it crazy how it's Jack Skellington, but we all say Jack Skeleton? But yeah, I really tried. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Trash.